Hello guys, it's NaterGator back with a few more flights for y'all. We're at Hana Air. The tagline's actually wrong. We're at Hana Airport right now. We're doing Hana to Lanai, Lanai to Honolulu, and then Honolulu to Lihue is the second part of this sort of Hawaiian hops series that I've put together. So we switched over the first 3 flights we did in the McFat ATR 72. Now we're in the leading edge simulation Saab 340, and let me just say this is a fantastic aircraft. Definitely see myself flying this for a really long time. It looks great, sounds great, the systems are all modeled. There's intuitive checklists here and everything. Probably flies well also. It's just, the Saab's one of my favorite real-world aircraft, my favorite real-world turboprop. And it's nice to see it done so well for this sim. So without further ado, I've already done most of the checklists and everything. Just gotta call up Honolulu's center unless he wants us to call for IFR in the air, but we'll see. We'll call for clearance here and see what he says. As soon as I remember what my call sign is. One moment. Aloha 314, okay. Honolulu Center, Aloha 314 at Hana, IFR to Lanai.
Aloha 314, Honolulu Center, search to Lanai via radar vectors RV and as files, maintain 7,000, 6.2001 service departure. Departure is frequency flight 0662.
Alright, 7,000 initial altitude and 0662 for Aloha 314.
Aloha 314, read that correct. Release for departure. Hold on a second. Aloha 314, read that correct. Release for departure, clearance 430 minutes from now. Time now 2234 Zulu. Frequency change approved. Calling back this frequency when airborne.
Alright, we'll call you again when airborne. Frequency change approved and clearance void in half an hour for Aloha 314. Thanks. Alright, let's go back to... Oh, wrong way. There we go. Let's go back to multicom here. Going to 12,000. 12,000, there we go. Altitude. I don't want approach hold. Vertical speed. I don't know where to hit the knob is for that. This is one of my first times flying this aircraft, so I don't know quite where all of the buttons are yet. Still a beginner. Still a noob. Always noob many wows. We'll figure this out eventually. Maybe it's this? It doesn't look like it's doing anything. That just increases that. So this could get awkward. Well then. Oh boy. Not quite sure. Just gonna drag out the runtime because I can't find out how to increase the vertical speed. Oh, this might be it actually. Or not. Hang on. No. Or is it? Oh, there we go. So this goes down. Let's try going. Let's try going up. Up is better. There we go. Oh, we had it. Shoot. Okay. No, we don't want to go down. We want to go up. Still the wrong way. Yeah. Okay, let's hang on. Going down. And then. And down. And down. I like how it's like a one of those old-fashioned mouse keyboard, the balls or whatever, to do this. Never knew that about this aircraft. I don't know a lot of things about this aircraft. I just love the way it looks, and I love the way it looks in the air, and Silver Airways, the repaints on it, and even this repaint on it. Let's start at 1,200 feet per minute. And is this like a Coronado aircraft where I can just change the this thing and it goes, there we go, GPS. Alright, let's go ahead and enter our route in. FMC. I would fly VOR to VOR, but I'm good. One of my first few times flying this, I promise I'll do a VOR to VOR flight with this aircraft later on. Barbie's not an airport. That's a good observation there. Trying to get ahead of myself. PHHN. That's our reference. Route going to PHNY, Lanai Airport on the island of Lanai. Only airport on the island. It's the smallest, one of the smallest, anyways, islands that's actually inhabited. Might actually be the smallest that's inhabited. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it is. We're going to Lanai. Activate. There we go. It's where the pineapple plantations and all that stuff is. There's a couple resorts on the island. About 5,000 people live on that island, so not very populated either. Let's see. So we're gonna go to Barbie. This is where we enter Barbie. Barbie. Only a 54-mile flight, but we are going in the opposite direction first, so. And we kind of got to go out of our, not out of the way, but I mean, you can't just go direct to the airport. I probably should have just entered it in the route page. That would have been smart. Barbie. Victor 22 to the Maui VOR, OGG. Which I'm pretty sure is a rap term also, but I don't know. Victor 24 to LNY, Lanai VOR. Lanai is also an untowered airport, so I have ATC en route and nothing on the way in. Molokai is towered though. It's kind of weird because they both see the same amount of kind of traffic. Even though Molokai has more people on the island, Lanai is more of a resorty place. Okay, so we got a route in. And it looks fine and dandy. Put that to the side. Route should be, yep, it's in our GPS here. Let's go ahead and not do that. Okay, hang on. There we go. Trying to scroll there. Still not what I was looking for. Oh, I'm being stupid. There we go. Act like I don't know how to work a Garmin, which I kind of don't, but still though, guys. Anyways, got our heading hold on for some reason. I guess we'll fly runway heading on departures until we get the radar vectors to Barbie. And that would probably also be down here. Yes, it would. And I gotta zoom out to see this. So what heading are we on right now? Or what thing do we have selected? Oh, okay, it's the purple there. We'll do runway heading. We'll be departing 8, so 8. individual clicks, I guess. I can't hold it. Nope. There we go. 080. I think we're ready to start this thing up. So we got our beacon on. Hang on. Got our beacon on. Doors checked. Next checklist. Auto Corson. What is that? Not quite sure what that is. Gotta be around here somewhere. Maybe if we check it, it'll go away. Oh, it must have, because I don't see a light for it or anything. I'll have to look in the manual and see what that is. Maybe that's it. I have no idea. Anyways, bus tab. I do remember seeing that. It's right around... Oh, here we go. Bus tie connected. External power. Wait, we turn external power off before we turn the... Oh, this is the after engine start. I don't know what I'm doing. How do I go to the... So before engine start, clear for start. Okay. That was weird, but... let's see. So in that case, we'll probably want these to start. Got our throttles to ground idle. Yep, that's all good. Go to the starter panel. Left gen on. Right gen on. Gen on. That's ice protection. Okay, so ignition. I don't know why I can't get the hang on. Before we just start. Huh. Okay. Well, let's see what happens. SS rising. Looks like we did something right. So temps rising, RPMs up. And we'll get torque here shortly, I presume, once we move the condition levers. Do 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 do. So now that's all well and good. Let's go back up here. Start the left engine. For some reason our that's sad. Now what happened to our GPS? It's kind of weird. Ah, there we go. Alright, external power off. Generators checked. Air conditioning set. Emergency lights. It's armed yet. Armed. Fuel use, reset. Condition levers to max. And we lost power. He must not have done something. What didn't we do? Oh, we got it now. It's kind of weird. Hopefully, I didn't lose anything.
User joined your channel.
Doesn't look like we did. Either way, condition levers to max. IPS protection. Good on that. Overhead panel check. EVIS check. Clear signal received. Alright, going to taxi checklist here shortly. Okay, yes. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Hey, Kyron.
Hi.
Look at what I'm flying right now.
I can't see. I'm on the phone.
Oh. Let me know when you can see it.
Alright.
Alright, quick outside view. It's nice. Gotta take one of his chucks.
Have you driving flights yet?
No, I'm doing them right now.
Which flight you on?
I just started the Hana to Lanai. That was ground support.
Did you ever get the seasonal tour before?
Nope. Try something that I paid for. A certain Saab of some sort.
Ooh.
Yep. And Aloha Air Cargo paint, because Aloha Air Cargo flies Saabs now.
Yeah, that's right.
Alright, let's taxi out. Brakes checked. Altimeter. The hell is the Hana altimeter? Oh well, I'll say it's checked. Flap set. Flight instruments radio set. Tests. Alright. Set. Briefing complete. We're gonna set our lights so taxi light on, strobe on, nav on.
I gotta be back home in about 2.5 hours or so.
Height.
User disconnected from your channel.
The hell? My can't I turn? Oh my god. I'm having a... What the hell? The hell is wrong with this thing? Oh my god. Brake. Please. Jesus Christ. Joystick equipment. What's going on here? Right toe brake. Left toe brake. Thank you. God. Holy crap. That was stupid. Oh, it looks like. Back on to the runway again. Please work. Come on. Thank you. Jesus. Sometimes this aircraft. I don't even know what it is. It's with the flight factor and now this. Maybe it's my rudder pedals. I don't know. And soon you gotta use some power to get up this freaking hill. Come on. See, this is why you should come to this channel. We got thrilling taxing up hills because if rudders won't work. Anyways. Alright, all's well and good. All's well that ends well. External lights set. On. Takeoff signal, good for that. Air conditioning set. Transponder, we do have it set, I believe. Having an altitude should work. Anytime now. Maybe I have to have it on. I guess altitude would be logically when you're in the air. What the hell? Okay, there we go. Anyways. Transponder set. Flight controls checked. With the exception of our rudders, which seem to suck. But anyways. CWP. Looking OG. I think. Oh, set the GPS. There we go. Shoot. Okay. The hell are these? Oh, standby pedo. The hell are these lights? Ah well. Oh, I gotta get in the air anyway, so take off inhibit. What's our next checklist? Climb. Okay, let's get out of here. Okay, why isn't this working? I guess I don't have to gauge one. Anyways, we'll go ahead and we're not apparently. Okay. One day we'll figure all this stuff out. Just
Delta 24/7 turn right heading. Turn up heading 20. Delta 24/7. Yeah. Fly heading 230. Delta 24/7. 10 miles right and left today.
Honolulu Center, Aloha 314 airborne.
Aloha 314, say passing altitude.
Passing through 3,000 for 7.
Aloha 314 radar contact, climb, maintain 12,000, clear direct RB.
Alright, clear direct Barbie and 12000, Aloha 314. Alright, so we're gonna turn left to direct Barbie. I have no idea what's up with that autopilot, why I can't set it both. I must be missing a switch or something, I don't know. We'll figure it out eventually. Anyways, turn to direct Barbie here. It's actually pretty fun to hand fly, I'm not gonna lie. That's what I did the first 2 times I flew this.
Number 69 Alpha Charlie, Roger. Business approach as published. Number 69 Alpha Charlie, turn right heading 150.
150
Number 69 Alpha Charlie, time maintain 5,000.
5,000.
If only been allowed to 8:16, we'd like to request the owner of our team be moved below the team.
LF 861, Roger, you can put down. I have a straight turn right thing, 250.
250, we'd like to take the Iowa thing up.
Sorry, I'm Charlie Jake, first Iowa, turn right 87.
Do 10,000.
So, the 24th turn thing, 320 to your request.
Okay, cabin pressure warning, but who cares? It's cargo. I've got a mask. Oh man, one of these days I'll learn how to fly this thing by the numbers and I'll post a decent video, but I just wanted to get in the air and finish these hops. Down to just me doing these flights now. Kyron had to leave. Josh left a while ago. Still fun though, especially since we got ATC. Through 11 to 12. This thing flies like a beauty for what it's worth. Hand flying this thing is really nice.
So, the 24th time, expect your turn, please.
Almost at Kahului here, it looks like.
Niner, Alpha Charlie, turn right, thing, 350.
350.
2047 third direct Coastal head on the cold east of the Copenhagen Rio are on the 090 radial right hand turn, 2-minute leg, maintain 2000, and let me know when you're ready to turn.
Actually, I think we might have passed Louis, because that's the island of Lanai up ahead of us here. As you can see, it's not a very big island.
About 3314, and then maintain 7,000.
7,000 through 14. Alright, we're down to 7,000 here.
Number 69 Alpha Charlie, and maintain 3,300.
6,300 there.
Honolulu Center, helicopter 726 Romeo Victor is 1,109 miles to the east of Honolulu Airport. We'd like to make a approach to the helicopter ramp south of the weather.
Helicopter 7.
Alright, so at Lanai.
Romeo Victor, Honolulu Center, squad
280-93000. I think the Lanai runway is 5x23 or 3x21 or something like that. So whatever the west runway is. And that'll be our briefing. Status protection, camera pressure, don't have any, don't care about it. Flight instruments, radios are good on that. Bugs. Lanai altimeter.
Charlie, turn right, getting 050.
3000.
3,300, still established, third island, turn right, 8 left approach.
0. There we go.
050 for Alan.
Below 10,000 lights. Sending a little too much. Either way. We set altimeter, set external lights, cabin sides are on, HP valve set. Oh, of course, still don't know what that is.
Helicopter 7, Romeo Victor, radar contact, 2 miles east of the Maui VOR. Take straight into the helicopter ramp and remain clear of runway 2. At or below 2,500 Maui, altimeter 29993.
293, we're cleared into the helicopter ramp. We will not cross into runway 2 approach, and We will maintain VFR below 2,500, 156 Romeo Victor.
Number 600 Alpha Charlie, wind 320 at 3, runway 8 left, clear to land. Aloha 314, maintain 6,000 Lanai, airport at your slope, to 1.6 miles towards the site.
We have the field in sight down to 6,000, Aloha 314.
Aloha 314, wind at Lanai, 280 at 9 position, runway is runway 21. And radar service, report IFR cancellation on the ground or in the air.
Alright, we'll report out for cancellation 2-1, and we have the winds Aloha 314. Thank you. Except not thank you, because that was terrible descending.
Aloha 314, clear visual approach runway 21 and Lanai.
Clear visual 2-1, Aloha 314. Jesus, we gotta get down. Okay. So we got our uncontrolled, hydraulics fine, prop sync, scissors are maxed, de-ice boots off, damper I think was already off.
Romeo Victor, current wind at
That's a 1, or
180
I guess a 7 for this aircraft.
on the hull, may I discussion?
Romeo Victor.
Oh, is there just 20%? I'll take a $2 sheet to ready to go and hold again.
Go ahead.
Also 2847 clear to Honolulu International Airport by operator vector. Maintain 6,000.
Clear to Honolulu by radar vectors, maintain 6,000, 2047.
Although 2400 deck correction is not sitting 200. What's your ranking? 200.
Right 200, 2047.
Wind check.
That interview was that the cross Google after maintain 5,000. Cleared our nav to the runway 2 approach.
Across Google at 5,000 or above, we don't need to left me.
My airport in sight, coming down here.
American 5, Holland Center, Squawk 0517.
Alright, on the ground here at Lanai. I'm gonna go ahead and use the turnaround bay. If there is one. If there's not, I guess we're just turning around.
Flight 270.
Heading 270, 20%.
American 5, radar contact 1 miles north of 10.
I think I figured out what the problem was with my rudders. I was, when I pressed the toe brake, that was screwing my aircraft up, so I'm not doing that anymore. Either way, I turn around here. Again, not really great landing, but we're on the ground here. Go ahead and bring up the flaps. Honolulu Center, Aloha 314 reporting IFR cancellation.
Aloha 314. Right. IFR cancels received. Squawk VFR in time now 202320.
Alright, Squawk VFR, and we have the time. Aloha 314, have a good day. Not even gonna bother doing that because we're basically right here. There's Lanai. This is another independent developer. I think it's the same guy who did Molokai and Waimea, Kohala. Nice little airport here. This place sees some ATRs from Hawaiian and Islander. Or used to see them from Islander. I don't think Islander does this route anymore. Mokulele might though. Nice little ramp there. Gonna go ahead and slow down and take this exit. Or not. Jeez, have I been bad with the rudder pedals lately. Either way, we're off. I didn't like coming off. Strobe off. Yeah, let's keep the wing on actually. Nice aircraft there. Go ahead and park at this space right here. Go ahead and set the ground idle, parking brake on, and we'll bring these babies all the way back. It's nice. I love the prop animation on this aircraft. Wish I could have seen it mid-flight, but I was hand flying the thing. Either way, we're here at Lanai, shut down and everything else. Thanks for watching if you're watching this. Park next to whatever this is. Either way, we're here. And next time we'll be flying from Lanai to the big one, Honolulu. See you guys then.